In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the task and detail Pane in Asana. To get started, open Asana and log into your workspace. Once you're on your main dashboard, you'll need to open a specific task so we can look at its details. You can do this in a couple of ways. One option is to go to My Tasks, which shows everything that's assigned to you personally. From there, click on any task in the list. Another option is to look at the left-hand side of the screen. Choose a project from your sidebar, and then select any task within that project. As soon as you click a task, Asana will open the task detail pane. Depending on your layout and screen size, this might appear as a pop-up in the center of the screen, or as a drawer that slides out from the right-hand side. Either way, this is where you'll manage almost everything related to that task. Let's walk through what you can see and do in this pane. At the top, you'll find several icons. There's an icon to mark the task as complete, which you should click when the work is finished. You'll also see profile icons or initials showing the collaborators on the task, so you know who's involved. Nearby, there are icons that let you like the task, copy a direct task link to share with teammates, expand the detail pane to full screen, open more options for advanced settings, and close the pane when you're done. Just below that, you'll find the core task fields. You'll see the task title, the assignee, and the due date. If the task is dependent on another task, those dependencies are shown here too. You'll also see which project or projects the task belongs to, its priority tag if one is set, and its current status. This area gives you a quick snapshot of what the task is, who owns it, and when it's due. Scrolling down, you'll find the task description. This is where you add the main details or instructions. If there's no description yet, you can click in this area and start typing to give more context. Below the description, you'll see any subtasks and attachments. If none exist yet, you can add them by clicking the plus icon next to subtasks or attachments to break down work or upload supporting files. Finally, at the bottom of the task pane, you'll see the comments section and activity history. This shows past updates and discussions about the task. To add your own comment, click the text field at the bottom. From here, you can write your message and enhance it by inserting objects, adding text formatting, using emojis, mentioning teammates with the @ symbol, adding appreciation, attaching files, or even using Asana's AI Assist to help you craft your comment. When you're done, post your comment, and it becomes part of the task's ongoing conversation.